Waiting for a payment to process or want to see what's due next? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to view your pending and upcoming payments in the Klarna app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Pending payments are authorized charges that haven't yet been taken from your account. Monitoring them helps you avoid overdrafts and plan your budget. First, open the Klarna app and navigate to the Home or Overview screen. Here, you'll see a list of your recent and active purchases. Look for the specific purchase and tap on it to view the detailed payment schedule. Any pending payment will be clearly marked with a status like pending or processing, along with the scheduled deduction date. You can also check the Activity or Transactions tab within the app. This section shows a chronological list of all transactions, including pending payments, giving you a real-time view of your account activity. A crucial pro tip: a pending payment will temporarily reduce your available spending limit. The funds will be officially collected within a few business days. Always ensure your linked payment method has sufficient funds until the transaction is complete. And just like that, you're fully aware of your upcoming financial commitments. Keeping an eye on pending payments is key to seamless money management. Is it helpful to see pending transactions for your budgeting? Let me know in the comments. To understand your spending capacity, watch our next video on how to see your Klarna card limit. Thanks for watching.